Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you turn off activity status on Instagram and basically prevent other users to know if you are active on Instagram or not, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Now first, since we're gonna be using the Instagram mobile application, we should go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, search for Instagram, and once you find it, let's go ahead and make sure we have the Instagram application updated to the latest version. After that, you can finally go ahead and quit the store and open Instagram. Now from here you have to be logged in, and first I should tell you that once you turn off activity status on Instagram, you as well will not be able to tell if other people are active or not on Instagram. Now with that out of the way, let's start. First, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. From your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner right there, and then from here tap on settings and privacy, of course, to open settings. Follow up with me from here. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is to scroll down until you find an option that says messages and story replies. Go ahead and tap on it to open it, and from here it is guys, tap on show activity status, and then you can turn it on and off from here very easily anytime you want. If for some reason you cannot do that from here, you can always open your browser and go to instagram.com, log in from here, and then again tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. This time on the top left corner of your profile, tap on the gear icon to open settings. From settings, you should find an option that says how others can interact with you. Tap on it. And here is the option guys, you can turn off and on your activity status right here with this toggle. And that is basically how can you turn off your activity status on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.